Ever noticed how your YouTube feed, your TikTok For You page, even your shopping ads seem to know you a little too well? It's not magic. It's AI personalization at work. But what happens when AI starts customizing everything you see online? Can it really personalize the entire internet? And should it? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly digital guide to the world of AI. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is quietly reshaping the internet, one algorithm, one user, and one perfectly tailored feed at a time. Every major platform you use, YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, Instagram, is powered by AI. These systems study your clicks, your pauses, your likes, and even how long you hover on a video. Then, they build a version of the internet just for you. No two users see the same feed anymore, and that's only the beginning. AI personalization works like a detective. It collects clues about your preferences, what you watch, buy, or search, then uses machine learning to predict what you'll enjoy next. It doesn't just know what you like, it learns why you like it. That's why it can keep you scrolling for hours. It knows exactly what will grab your attention next. Soon, personalization won't stop at your social feed. AI is already being used to tailor news articles, shopping sites, education platforms, and even search results. Imagine opening a website and having it rearrange itself to match your reading level, interests, or goals automatically. That's the vision of a truly personalized internet. Soon, personalization won't stop at your social feed. AI is already being used to tailor news articles, shopping sites, education platforms, and even search results. Imagine opening a website and having it rearrange itself to match your reading level, interests, or goals automatically. That's the vision of a truly personalized internet. But here's the problem. Personalization can also become manipulation. When algorithms only show us what we already agree with, we end up stuck in echo chambers. We stop seeing new ideas, diverse opinions, or anything that challenges us. And when AI controls what we see, it quietly shapes what we think. To make AI personalization truly useful, we need transparency and balance. That means giving users control over what's recommended and why. Some platforms now let you reset or customize your algorithm, a small but important step toward a healthier, more open internet. So, what do you think? Should the internet be completely personalized to you? Or do we risk losing the randomness and discovery that make it fun? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. AI is making the internet smarter, faster, and more personal than ever. But the question is, are we still in control of what we see? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Stay curious and stay connected.